I proudly welcome you to mock database program. Alright, so today's lesson we're going to build the department forms and also the classes forms. So we have to click over, or we have to be fast in developing the forms. So what we're going to do now is you just copy and paste the parent form. So here you right click, you press or you click on copy, then you come here, Ctrl V to paste, name it as classes, then enter to save, copy again, Ctrl V to paste, and name the last one as department. Alright, so let's go and format it. So open to the classes. So the classes, you can see that the parent form, we have a duplicate of the parent form. So what you're going to do is you're going to format the form. So go to design view, right click, go to design view, then select all the fields. So select the details about the parents, select everything, click on delete key to delete key. Alright, so you're going to format the form. Okay, so here you have to move this upwards, then from that is the form footer, you click on it, then you bring it up. Alright, so this is how you're going to do. So here you're going to change the parent form to let's say class management. Okay, so you just click here, then you go to record source here, so change it to classes. The record source, change it to classes. Alright, so then you come here, then you click in the box, then you write or you type class management. Alright, so enter, hit enter, then you bring the detail downwards. Alright, so here you're going to resize the shape. Okay, you have to resize it to make the text small. So okay, this is how it is. Then you enlarge it. Okay, so we have to format the text. Okay, so go to format, select home first, then you have to disable the property sheet, disable it, then go to, let's say, format, then you resize the text, make it 11, or you can change to 14. Alright, so here you're going to bring the detail up. Okay, you click, then you left click, then you bring it up. Okay, you press and hold the left button, then you move it up. Okay, this is how it is. Alright, so let's highlight all the buttons. Okay, so here you click on the box over here under the classes. Okay, yeah, the field over here, you double click on it for the property sheet to appear. So what you're going to do is you're going to format this one, the buttons. Okay, so here you go to format, then right under the format you can see a back color, you can see a border color, you can see a width color, you can see the hover. Okay, so whatever you want to change it, you can change it to. Okay, so this color, you can change this to, let's say, the hover, you can change it to 8. That is highlight. Alright, so it's going to highlight like this. Ctrl S to save, Ctrl S to save, Ctrl S to save. Let's disable the property sheet. Alright, so here we are going to add the classes fields. Okay, so you are going to add the classes field. So you go to design. Okay, go to design, go to add existing field, so the class, you need the class ID, double click to appear, class title, class department. All right, so highlight everything, bring them up. All right, so try to format everything, okay, by selecting it one after the other. Let's select the second one, move it down, the first one too, move it down. All right, so this is how it's going to be. So try to make a well combination of color, okay, try to make a well combination of colors. Let's try to enlarge the text box. Okay, so here click enlarge it. All right, so it seems the margin is too big, the space is too big, so I'll come it up a little. All right, so let's apply format. So here we're going to change, we're going to format it. So you go to format, select this, set it to native. All right, so to native is how it's going to be. So let's try to add a shape outline. Okay, so shape outline, I'll set it to this, the same color like this. This is how you're going to do. Okay, this is how you're going to do. So let's preview our forms and see. Okay, so form view, sorry, you have to save first. Control S, make sure to save your work. From view, this is how it's going to be. If you click, initially it was parent form. Okay, so you can see the parent form is here, so you have to change the control source, record source. Okay, record source to classes. Is that okay? All right, so here if you click on the button add parent, this is how you're going to do. So you have to change everything. You have to delete the parent, then you can write add new or new. And here if you click on save, to add an error or or display. Okay, so we have to change everything over here. So click on OK, then quit or just click on OK. This command will stop in the back, and so if you just click on OK. All right, so go to design view for the changes. Design view. So here we have to change this one. So click on the box arrow, double click on it. Here the parent. Okay, the caption. So click here the caption, delete the caption and write it as classes. Control S to save. All right, so you can see that changes has made. Okay, so here let's go and change the buttons. Okay, so just close here, click here, click in the box, click the parent. Okay, so you can still make it as add new. Okay, so add new class. Okay, so add new or new class. So let's make it new. If you want to add new, then we change the save to. Okay, so you click here. So you have to bring the field shape. Okay, so click over here. Okay, so I said we should change something over here. So here, before, if your property sheet is not appearing, what you're going to do is, let me disable it again. If you click and your property sheet is not appearing, let's come and click inside the box under the classes. We double click for it to appear and you select the save. Okay, so we are going to change everything over here. So go to data, go to event, then event procedure. Okay, so click on that. So what you're going to do is you're going to delete everything over here. Delete everything over here. Delete key. Okay, so here I'm going to change this. You are going to make it as changes to DB is successful. Okay, so we are going to delete the, let's say, so let's remove the end if to end if. Okay, so here you're going to write, we're going to change the codes to changes to db success. Alright, so let's start typing changes to db, that is database success, database table success. Okay, so just click okay, success, database table success. Okay, so changes to db table success. Okay, or you can write anything you want. Okay, you can write anything you want, like addition to let's say class management success or anything you want. So Control S to save, Control S to save, Control S to save. Alright, so let's go back, let's close it and see if it works. Alright, so let's change this one, change it to design, form view. Alright, so let's add anything. Let's add a class. So name, so let's say class title, department, let's say DHS. So here we're going to write DHS1, DHS, let's say DHS4. Okay, so save it. Changes to db table is table success. Click on OK. So you can try to delete. So here delete, yes, that is it. Alright, so you can't go to the specified records. Okay, so you have to go back. This is how it is. It's not okay. So you can try, you can decide to just remove this one, the arrow keys one, the arrow key. Okay, so by clicking on the design, watching the video. You are not going to use the button, this button, the back and the forward button, okay, the arrow keys. You're not going to use it for anything. So the best thing you can do is just remove it from there. Okay, here. So make it to be a pop-up. Okay, so here, then what are you going to do? Just click over here, you go to that is called as pop-up yes. Okay, Control S to save, Control S to save. Alright, so we are done with the classes form. So let's preview the form and see form view. So there is how it is. So you can add, you can save, you can delete too. Alright, so let's try to delete something. I have added this class department, say then let's see if we can try to delete this. Okay, that's how it is. Okay, so make sure you do the same thing for the department. The same thing for the department. Okay, so let's close it, then open to the department. The same thing, you can see a duplicate of a parent form, so you have to change everything over here. So apply the changes, then send to me for a marks. Thank you very much for joining More Database.